Saturday, April 8th. Really just going out here today to kind of figure out my active target. I put it on my boat, immediately fished a tournament with it, kind of figure out my color palette and, you know, setting it up and things like that. I really could not find my bait. I was seeing a lot of fish, a lot of activity, and throw my bait out there and I just couldn't see it. I'm gonna be playing with the settings a lot today. I got some Texas rigs, I got a jig, I got a DT20 tied on. And the only reason why I got a DT20 is because for me, I feel like I can maybe try to work the water column a lot better with a DT20 because I can at least get down where I need to get down it and then, you know, let it rise up if I need to get up to a lower water column. I got an A-rig tied on, just throwing some big stuff, really just so I can see if I can see it on my active target. I don't know, the res is weird, but just out here trying to figure it out. We're gonna be launching at Lake Ridge today and kind of focus on I think that's, yeah, the downside of the lake. And just seeing if we can pick it apart and hopefully catch some big ones. I got my boy Ben, he coming out. He never fished with me before. I love taking people fishing, so if y'all in the DMV area and, you know, you follow me or whatever, just, hey, shoot me an IM. We can link up, we can get on the water and have a good time. And it's something about being out on the water with other people that just makes it so much more special. And not just catch fish though, like actually learn something about the electronics in the lake, the reservoir that I'm fishing on. So that's the goal today, man, just to be better. So yeah, catch y'all on the water, baby.
Alright, so it's right in here.
Hold on, take that off.
What's up? It's wrong too? Yeah, it's supposed to be in the front. Alright, let me do it then.
It's all good, man. Hey,
yeah, I've been learning.
Yeah. Ooh, got one. Got him. I don't know if it's big though. Don't touch it, don't touch the line.
Oh, nice. Yeah.
Oh, they chewing today.
As soon as you said something.
Woo!
It's a nice one.
Hey. He said.
Nice.
He's all right. Up against that structure, baby. I'm over here helping you out. All right, y'all. Hey, got our first bite of the day. Let me smell him. He smells great. Hey, yes sir. Caught him on a jig, baby. Let's go. I need the photo. All right. Yeah. Oh, go ahead. Got it? Yeah.
Yeah, you got it. You got one. The little one, but you got one. Sheesh, you killing it, man.
Huh?
So you killing it.
Hey, I just threw it there. That's what we just got here.
You literally just threw it. Like, man, I'm
off these rocks. Yeah, that's for you next. Fish number 2, baby. Today was a good day. I'm glad I came out here. Ooh, you smell like a feline. So hit the red button at the top. Press it once. I'm scared, man. They're sitting on the bottom of this tree. Literally, they are sitting under the bottom of this tree. Like 100% there at the bottom of this tree. Got him. Oh!
you took my signature move, man.
Hey, I was like,
that's a big one. That is a big
one. Fuck you. Hey, look, I'm watching the grab blow and I'm like, oh my God, he just put it in his mouth. They're at the bottom of the tree though. I see him. Got him. Who he hit it hard.
I can't even see what's going on. I can't really see the camera from here.
He smacked it, dude. There's a bluegill. Yep. Here, hold this. You see that? No, you're good. Hold this. Just don't. You click the button, it'll release it. He's right here. Yep, he's on there. He's hitting it. Take it, take it, take it.
How the hell do you even...
He got it. Oh, yo, what the fuck? You can see him on the graph, dude. I can see him on the graph. I don't want to go over there yet. Hold on. He's sitting right on the other side of that thing. He said, how do I what?
Like, how do you, like, you just threw it and you already know. Like, I don't even...
I feel the bite, so look. So, a little afternoon update. We've been out here for, what would you say?
3 hours.
3 hours. Caught 2 fish. With active target, you definitely got to know where the position of your transducer is to really see your bait. So I'm kind of figuring that out. I saw my bait a lot today. I also saw a log and like a little big blow behind it, and I was like, oh, I think that's a fish. Sure enough, cast up there. It was a bluegill, but it definitely bit immediately and got me snagged as always, but definitely getting better with it. Still just trying to keep my trolling motor under control while I'm doing it. And yeah, that definitely helps a lot, because if I let my foot off the trolling motor, my trolling motor will just start moving on its own. And now by the time I pick up a jerkbait, A-rig, whatever I'm trying to throw to get down there, it's all over the place and I got to reposition myself. So maybe I might have to invest in a new trolling motor for sure to kind of help alleviate some of that, because I'll tell you right now, your ankle, your like calf muscle and your shin from trying to keep on that trolling motor, whew, it's taxing. But we're gonna tie a couple Texas rigs on. We're gonna head back up to kind of where we launched at and kind of fish a little bit of the main lake. That's where I got a couple of my bites from. So yeah, man, that's the midday update. So we're trying our best, but I don't know, man. Hopefully I can catch a pig. I think the first one maybe about 2 pounds, and then the second one maybe 1 pound and some change, but nothing big yet that I want. But I'm definitely getting better with active target, and that was the goal today. So yeah. All right, Texas rig tied on, about to get back on the water. Let me tighten your line up. So you're gonna be like, there you go. Yeah. What you do? He was fighting pretty good. Huh?
Texas rig, man.
Hey, yes sir, Texas rig.
That was quick.
Huh?
That was quick.
Get it in, like, let it hit the bottom and like.
Yeah, just bounce.
Yeah, until it hit some rocks, slide it over top. Another little dink. Man, we're not catching no biggins today, but.
God. He was about to give you blessings too.
Dirt killing your nose ring. Go over there. Go over there.
Yeah, I'm going. What are we doing? You snatched the fuck out.
Huh? You said what?
I said you snatched the hell out of that shit.
What are we doing? What are we talking about right now? That was big. close out the day. It was pretty dope, man. I took Ben out there. He didn't catch nothing, but he definitely did not have the equipment needed to actually bass fish. He was like using catfish and rods and stuff like that. But I do have a reel I'm gonna give to him, and then we'll figure out something about a rod. Maybe I'll give him one of my rods because I do want to update my whole little arsenal. But definitely, I went out there today to work on active target and just really figure it out. Like I said, just trying to put a lot of time on the water this year and really just get better as an angler in general, right? Finally, I could see my bait today. It was awesome. Like being able to cast out, whether it was a jig, a rig, jerk bait, a square bill, I could see it the whole time. So it's just really, your trolling motor placement is key. And especially when you got like a trolling motor like mine, it's not very good. It does make it a lot more difficult. Definitely trolling motor placement is key. I actually turned the sensitivity up to like, I went from 81 to like 86. So it's not like super bright and blurry, but it's bright enough and it's a lot better. So yeah, we're gonna keep practicing, man. I did catch 3 today. I caught 2 on the Texas rig, 1 on the jig. Kind of just slow rolling it on a lot of wood and structure, for real. That's what I caught them on today. And then I had 1 big bite, man, and I went to set the hook, and I think I set it too hard, and it just snapped right off. So definitely that. And yeah, man, we're just working, trying to get better, man. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Y'all hit the share button, man. We almost got a video to 1 million views, so that's super dope. First video I ever had to hit 1 million views. Super excited about that. Hopefully it hits it here soon. That'll be a milestone in my career, but I appreciate all y'all guys' support, man, and yeah, just keep casting.